Well, hi there. Welcome to my little cabin getaway. And all my little friends. We'll have to put up with them for a little while here. Get off the camera. Food's over here. You're gonna mess my camera if you keep sitting on it. Okay. Oh, come on. Yeah, don't get too rambunctious there. How you doing How are you doing this morning? Good. Hey boys. Good feedback this morning, huh? Nice temperature? It is a nice temperature. It's the first day it's been above zero for quite a few. We got a little snow to add to our things here. We just wrapped up our bird counts a few days ago in the midst of a 14 inches of snow blizzard that didn't help things out much. Got a lot of real nice birds, including these. Whoop, little flyby. Sit there a while. Stay a while. Yeah. It's a lot of fun up here, really. A little cold, a little snow. The other day I walked out and here was a wolf out in front of me. So I got a nice picture of him I can show you later. But these gray jays are not eating all this food. They're taking it over and stashing it because they're going to be laying their eggs here maybe another 6 or 8 weeks. And then they'll come and get all that frozen food and feed their young. Had a bit of a problem getting here this time. Had to park the Durango about 8 miles away. So it took a while. Hog. Watch this. If I put 2 or 3 pieces out here, they're hogs sometimes. How much can you get? Oh, just one. It's up here. I have one on the ground down here. It's all right here. Okay, a little more food. See, sometimes they'll cram in as much as they can while they're here. When Ellie was here last fall, we had one bold one that wasn't so bad, another was a scaredy cat. As you can see now, there's 3 here, and all 3 of them like to come in. I think they got hungry enough that they stopped waiting because they found out that if they waited, all the food was gone. Okay, while they're finishing up their treats, I get to have mine. Carol, I have one dark chocolate turtle left, and I'm going to enjoy it out here with the birds. Really hitting the spot out here. Nice chair. Worked out great. It's never cold. Folded up when it snows. Yeah, get some more. Take 2 or 3. They're small. I don't know what these shadows are looking like. The birds keep landing on top of the camera over there, so maybe they shut it off. Okay, well, I hope you see why I like to come up here and just disappear for a while. This is just one of the many facets of my trips up here, but I wanted to share it with you. Bye. See you later.